Welcome to our video on symmetric key cryptography. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of cryptography, especially focusing on symmetric key cryptography. We'll explore its concepts, applications, and how to implement it using Java. So, make sure to stick with us. Let's start by understanding what symmetric key cryptography is. In simple terms, it's a type of cryptography where the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. This means that both the sender and the receiver must securely share the key before they can communicate securely. The importance of key management in this system cannot be overstated. Symmetric key algorithms are generally faster and require less computational power than asymmetric algorithms, making them suitable for encrypting large amounts of data. Now, let's talk about some common symmetric key algorithms such as AES, DES, and Blowfish. AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard, is widely used today and known for its speed and security. DES, or Data Encryption Standard, was widely used before AES but has largely been replaced due to vulnerabilities. Blowfish is a fast block cipher suitable for applications where the key will be used for a long time. Now, let's implement AES encryption and decryption in Java. We'll use the Java Cryptography Architecture, JCA, for this. Before we start coding, ensure you have Java installed and ready to go. First, let's import the required libraries. We'll need javax.crypto classes for encryption and decryption, and java.security for generating keys. Next, let's create a method to generate a secret key for AES. We can use the key generator class for this purpose. Now, let's create an encryption method that takes the plain text and the secret key as inputs and returns the encrypted text. We will also need a method to decrypt the text. This will be similar to the encryption method, but we'll set the cipher mode to decrypt. Now we have our encryption and decryption methods ready. Let's tie everything together in the main method. What we just implemented is a basic example of symmetric key encryption using AES in Java. When you run this code, you should see the original text, the encrypted text, and the decrypted text printed in the console. It's important to remember that while symmetric key cryptography is efficient and fast, it has its own security considerations. The main challenge here is key management. If someone gains access to the key, they can easily decrypt any information encrypted with that key. So how can we secure symmetric keys? One common approach is to use asymmetric cryptography to exchange the symmetric keys securely. This way, you can utilize the speed of symmetric encryption while not compromising on security. In conclusion, symmetric key cryptography is a powerful tool in the realm of data security and encryption. Understanding how to implement it in Java opens up many doors for secure application development. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.